that though.
Dude, I'm down. Like, I did it one time.
We're gonna do a pre-order.
Oh, it has another song too.
What's the other one?
Mr. Kanap Man or something. It's like a Japanese cartoon.
Installing a self-centering shifter for for a drift event that Rome is going to tomorrow. So we're going to put it and send it to Sally. He's going to go tomorrow and go test our self-centering shifter. Extended selector joint, mandatory for a self-centering shifter, but included. All right, check the feel of it.
But now, dude, now it literally feels like a dog box.
I know. Third, and fourth, and fifth.
Yeah.
You probably favor second and third.
It's definitely easier to catch a gear.
What are your initial thoughts?
I think they nailed it with this one. I mean, look, you just push it forward, it goes right into third gear. That's the biggest shift that people miss, is off the line, because normally when we're going down the straightaway, we're on a bank. So trying to shift coming out the chicane, you're normally either find the wheel right or find the wheel left. So if I can honestly come out of second and self-center it, and I just push forward, I think that's the business. I think that's literally what I was missing in the other one. And this has stops on it, right? So I can't overblow the gear, because that happened with this one.
Gotcha. No, this one will.
Is that I went to second, I went first, second, and then I think I went third plus. I found neutral, I'm on third.
Okay.
Yeah.
Something broken.
I had to pull it back.
I don't know. That's a.
I had to pull it back.
We might have to check the transmission on our own.
If I had a customer call me and say that, I'd be like, yo, pass the pipe, dog. Like,
Third
neutral
pass
above
neutral?
first. What is this?
Yeah, I
What
went
is
like
this, a dirt bike?
I went into neutral and I went back into third and then back into fourth.
That's like a motorcycle.
The second he shifted, when he was sideways, locked it. Done. Sideways, mark it. Yep. Oh yeah. Much better, huh?
It's a lot faster, like way faster to shift.
Yeah, yeah.
And it's like reassuring, like I don't feel like I'm gonna miss a gear. All right, let me turn it around and
All right.
try and get up.
That's nice. Not bad, huh?